How to deposit money to Binance from bank account. So after you open your Binance app like this, now go to this profile at the top left side. After you come to your profile, now go to this more services. From this option, now scroll to down, go to withdraw Fiat. So from this option, now choose deposit. After you choose the deposit option, now tap on this option now to select the currency you want to deposit. So you go and select the currency of your country. So after you select the currency you want to deposit, let's say like this one. So from there it will give you two options. The first one is P2P and the second one is bank. So if there is any bank available on your country to send money, you can tap on this option now. After you select this option, just tap on this continue button. It will give you the list of banks that are currently available on Binance. From there you can select the bank that you want to send money from it. From there the money will be sent into your Binance account. But if there is no any bank available in your country to send money from Binance, you can only use P2P. If you tap on after you select the P2P like this, if you tap on this continue button, it will ask you to complete the P2P and send the money into your Binance account. That's it, guys.